If you have Moto H60 stylus and you want to hide your application, then this is the video for you. Open the Moto Secure application and then click on Secure folder. Click on Continue. Ask you to unlock your smartphone. Wait for a few seconds. After this, you have to set a lock for your secure folder. I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Now click on maybe later and then click on this plus icon. Select add apps. Click on add apps and then select the app you want to hide and then click on this right icon. There's a separate app in your app drawer. It's like it has cloned that application and make a different app in your Moto Secure folder. So you can do whatever you want in this application